Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add the battery percentage to the top of your Android smartphone device, so up at the top screen. So on your Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, doesn't really matter. We're going to have you covered today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on the home screen and you want to select the settings button. And then you want to select the battery field to go open up the battery settings. Should be something that says battery percentage, show battery percentage in status bar. Click inside of here one time to toggle that on, and then it should appear up at the top. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.